Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So, I'm going to grab a Commodore 128. Ta-da! That's kind of yellowed. And I'm just going to make sure that indeed... Oh, come on. Am I in the wrong? No, there I am. I'm in the video. Okay. Then, I'm going to grab the end of this power supply that is on the floor. The switch is off. That's good. The monitor's going to be back on. That's good. The microphone is on. That's good. Turn this on. And there, Commodore 128. And we'll press the reset and hold down the 64. And there is a 64. So this one seems to be working. Lovely. Now, over here, on the floor, are a couple of power supplies. And I have a tendency to trust these things because they were way better than the ones that came with the 64. They were. I don't want to mix this up, so I'm just going to set it here. I'm going to turn this off. I'll pull this one out. And I'll put this one in. Remember, in troubleshooting, one thing at a time. It might take longer. One thing at a time. Let's turn this on. Ta-da! There's the reset switch. There's the reset switch. Shaboom. Okay. That's a good sign. And here's another one. It has a bit of a crack here. Things happen. And what does this say? Commodore power supply. It doesn't say 128, but yet I know it is. It's 40 years old, this thing. It's a little dirtier than the other, but you know, so be it. So, once again, so as not to mix things up, I'll reach way across. I'll plug this in. Grab the business end. There it is. Look for the witness mark on the top. That's how you make sure. Turn it off. Don't plug things in with the power on. And move it in. Position. Turn it on. Funny, I didn't see a flash. Huh. I did not see a flash on the screen. But I heard something. So in fact, this power supply may be defective. Now, the next thing is, of course, I'm hoping that nothing went wrong. Well, that comes up. That comes up. That is peculiar. But, you know, not unexpected. These things are, 40 years old. I'll try that again. Make sure I've got it in nice and secure. Turn it on. Nothing. I hear a click thing. All right. Well, let's see here. There is here a fuse though. Oh. And there is the fuse thing. And how do you tell if that's good or not? I don't know. I just don't know. Anyway, I would like to think that this one here also has a fuse thing. Shaboom. What is that thing? I don't know. I guess it's a fuse of some sort. It's a nice pop-in thing. So we're plugged in. Oh, and it's still plugged in. Alright, we've swatched whatever the switch is. Let's see what happens. Nope. Still, I'm hearing something, but it's not happening. Alright. Well, I suppose this is a weird thing here. I don't know what that is. Anyway. Alright, so swapping the fuse did nothing. So, and now that's not helping. Okay. So we'll put this in here. I'll take our screwdriver, oh, right here, and we'll twist that in. And then take this one's off. And with that other funny thing in there, turn this on. Oh, am I covering up some keys? Nope. Funny, I saw more on the screen. I did. I did have the right thing plugged in, right? I did. Okay. Let's pop this sucker back out. Put it back in. Turn it on. And up she comes. Interesting. So what is this thing? I have no clue. Right, I'm going to try one more thing. I don't think it's going to make any difference. I'm going to actually take that whole thing out. No, yes, I am. Pop it in. Maybe I did that. Maybe I didn't. Okay. Nope. Nope. All right. So, 2 power supplies. One was good. One of them is not good. So, that is peculiar. Oh, I won't. Oh, let's go in. There it goes. Alright, have we done any harm? I don't think there was a command for this. Are you sure? Yes, go 64. There we go. We're into the 64 mode. Well, this is peculiar. Very peculiar. But things happen. Alright. Things happen. They do. Okay. We're going to get this out of here. And then I'm going to ponder. So, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. I didn't intend to get into all these 128s, but you know, things happen. Anyway, bye for now.